checking into my stay. And this is my stay for the next 3 nights at Meriton Suites. There you have the whole kitchen, a dining area. You get the pots and pans and cutleries. There's an oven, a dishwasher, the fridge. Ooh, let's get some ice cream. Wardrobe space. The living area, the bed, TV and desk. From my room, this is the view. This is the washroom. And I just realized they have a washer and dryer as well. To the opera house. Just walking around, enjoying the sunset.
You want to
back from Woolworth. I got some raisin bread, lettuce, a lip balm, a night cream because my skin has been so dry and flaking. Got some smoked ham. This one, yeah, I'll sneak it to one side. Some bananas, some butter, eggs, and also an avocado. Disregarding the cola, trying to be a little healthier during my vacation. Oh no!
No, it's not that.
Breakfast is served and my morning coffee. It's my last evening in Sydney. Now we are walking to Hyde Park to see St Mary's Cathedral. And my friend Kelly's in town. She just landed this afternoon, I think, and I'll be meeting her for drinks later. Just a short one. I am feeling very contented to be on this trip, and this trip has given me more confidence doing more solo trips in the future.
The most 几点？